In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate and modify your website using Squarespace. If you're ready to personalize your online presence or enhance your website's functionality, stick around as we guide you through each step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. The homepage is essentially your portal to all things related to managing your website, so make yourself comfortable with its layout and options. After you've successfully navigated to the homepage, you'll find an option labeled Edit. Click on it to enter into your website's edit mode. This is the area where you'll make all of your creative changes, from design tweaks to content updates. It's your canvas for crafting the perfect online space for your needs. In edit mode, direct your attention to the ADD block section. Click on this option to start adding new elements to your site. Blocks are the building components of your site, allowing you to organize content into neat functional sections. Here you can experiment with different types of blocks such as text, images, or even more complex elements like a gallery or form to see which best suits your vision. Once you've added your first block, you can repeat the process by clicking ADD block again. Don't hesitate to try out different types, as each block presents new opportunities to enrich your content, giving you flexibility and creativity in how you display information to your visitors. When you're ready to include functionality like an online store, locate the block with a cart icon on it. Click on this block to begin configuring your e-commerce features. This is where you can manage products, set prices, and establish a seamless shopping experience for your customers, providing them with a smooth and professional buying journey. After you've selected and customized the appropriate block, click and move to the Edit feature. This allows you to fine-tune your block selections and make specific adjustments to text, images, or styles, ensuring everything fits cohesively with the rest of your site. Finally, once you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to save. This crucial step is where your newly configured elements and any modifications you've made become a part of your live site, visible to your audience. It's always a good practice to preview your changes before saving, giving you a last-minute chance to catch any discrepancies or errors. By following these steps, you can easily manage and customize the different aspects of your Squarespace site. Remember, the more you experiment with these tools, the more comfortable and creative you'll become. Thank you for watching, and good luck enhancing your online presence.